What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a YouTube video into a month worth of content automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To turn a YouTube video into a month worth of content, you can try turning YouTube videos from creators like Alex and try to generate Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook posts. And maybe you can even take it a step further to generate maybe an email newsletter, a YouTube short video script automatically using Claude. Let's start by creating the skill that will be responsible for turning the YouTube video into the various content for different platforms. So to create the skill, click on customize right here, click on skill, and here we're going to start by creating a skill by clicking on create skill right here. Then we're going to click on create with Claude. Here we're going to click on enter. Then here we're going to describe our skill. So we're going to tell it create a skill that takes one video, both the title, transcript, or summary, and turns it into platform native content. So I'd like to create a LinkedIn post with a strong hook, insight and engagement question, an email newsletter with subject line, body, and call to action, a 6 to 10 Twitter thread with a clear hook and structure flow, a Facebook post written in a conversational storytelling style, an Instagram carousel with slide-by-slide copy, and a 20 to 45 second short form video script with a strong hook, fast pacing, and call to action, ensuring all outputs are concise, high impact, and tailored to each platform without adding unnecessary fluff. So here's the description of the skill I would like to create. So here I'm going to hit enter to create the skill. So let's give it a minute or two for it to create the skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill. The skill's name is video to content repurposer. This is really incredible. So here is how it is structured, and here's how we can install it. This is incredible. To download it, just click on download right here to download the skill, then upload it right here. So I'll click on skill, and here I'm going to upload the skill. Then I'm going to upload our folder right here. You can see the skill that we just created right here. This is incredible. So it has instructions on how to create each post on the video. This is really incredible. This is awesome. So we can try testing the skill to see if it's going to generate for us the video. So now to test the skill, we're going to start by extracting the script of a video and paste the script right here and tell Claude to convert the script into the various social media posts and the newsletter. We can try creating a post from one of Alex's videos. So we can try this one. So I'll copy the link to this video. Then we're going to extract the transcript of this video using a third-party tool. In our case, we're going to use this tool called Apify to extract the transcript of the video. So Apify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. Here we're going to find this YouTube transcript scraper tool and paste the URL that we just copied right here. And then here I'm going to click on save and start to extract the transcript of the video. You can see it's running. So let's give it a second or so for it to scrape the transcript of the video. In scraping the transcript of the video. This is incredible. So now to export the transcript, I'm going to click on export right here and export the transcript as a CSV file. I'm going to click on download the script. Then I'm going to go back to Claude and tell it using our skill, which was the video to content repurposer skill, generate. We're going to generate content from these scripts, and then here we're going to upload our right here. And I'm going to hit enter right here. Let's give it a minute or two for it to generate our content for us using our skill. You can see it successfully generated our social media post in our newsletter from the transcript of the video. This is really incredible. So we can take it a step further and tell it to add the output into a CSV file. Calling it update the scale to do this also, so I'm going to hit enter. It successfully generated our social media content and the email newsletter and the shorts from video scripts and add it to our CSV file. So now let us download the CSV file, then upload it to a Google Sheet to preview our repurposed content. I've created a new spreadsheet right here. We're going to import our CSV file. So I'm clicking on upload, and here we're going to append to the current sheet and click on import data. And here you can see the title of our video, the LinkedIn post, Facebook post, the Twitter thread, email newsletter, and the short form video script right here. This is incredible. So here's the title of the video, here's the LinkedIn post that is generated from the video, here's a Facebook post, here's a Twitter thread, here's the email newsletter with the subject line, preview text, and the email body. It's an incredible call to action. And here's the script of the short form video that we're going to create from this video. So we successfully repurposed one of Alex's video automatically using Claude right here from this skill that we created over here. This is incredible. Let us try repurposing another video. We can try generating content for repurposing a different video. So here we can grab another video. I can try this video right here. So I'll copy the link to this video. And then I'll head over to Amplify to scrape the transcript of this video. So here we're going to paste the URL. So just copy it and click on Save and Store to scrape the transcript. Give it a second for it to run and scrape the transcript. You can see it succeeded in scraping the transcript. So we're going to export it as a CSV file. Come down over here, and then in Claude, we're going to find our scale and tell it repurpose this YouTube video from its transcript. And we're going to upload the CSV. This is this one right here. We just scrape right here. I'm going to hit enter. Let's give it a minute or two for it to repurpose our video and generate our content for us. Successfully repurposed our video, generated a LinkedIn post, an email newsletter, Twitter thread, Facebook post, Instagram carousel, and a short form video script from the transcript of one of Alex's video. Shows this video right here. This is incredible. So we can tell it to us, add the output into a CSV file to download it, update the scale, and here we're going to hit enter. So here it successfully updated our scale, so you can save the scale right here. Click on upload and update the scale. You can see our scale is saved. Now let us open our CSV file. Format our CSV file. Okay, now spreadsheet right here. We're going to tell it to format the output as such from this spreadsheet right here. So we can tell it format the output is in the spreadsheet called repurposed content spreadsheet. So we can tell it repurpose content spreadsheet is in my drive. Here we can allow it. So here you can see it got the spreadsheet and the columns are here. It needs to rebuild in the CSV and updating the scale to match. Just give it a second. So our scale was re-updated with the information that we added. So I'm going to save the scale and click on upload and replace to replace the scale. Then now we're going to download our CSV file. Then we can try and upload the CSV file right here. So I'm going to import it. I'm going to choose to append to current sheet and click on import data. And here you can see the new repurpose content that is generated for us right here. This is incredible. You can insert it above. Separate the two videos. So here's the first video, here's the second video. Here's the title of the video. Here's the title of the video. So here's the LinkedIn post. Here's the Facebook post. Here's a Twitter thread. Here's the email newsletter with the subject line, preview text, and the body of the email with a call to action in the end. And here's a script for the short form video. This is incredible. So we repurposed this video automatically using Claude and generated these social media content right here, and with an email newsletter and the short form video scripts. This is incredible using the scale that we created right here in Claude. This is awesome. Now let us repurpose one last video as an example. So here you can try this video. So I'll copy the link to this video, and then we're going to scrape its transcripts right here like we did previously by pasting the URL. And I'm going to click on save and start to extract the transcript of the video in order to turn the script of the video into our various social media content right here. So let's give it a minute. So here you can see it completed scraping transcript. I'm going to export the transcript as a CSV file. Click on download right here to download it. You can see the CSV file was downloaded. Now using our skill, you can tell it repurpose the content from this video script. Then we're going to upload our, and then here I'm going to hit enter to repurpose this video. Just give it a second for you to do that. This is incredible. So here you can see it successfully repurposed our video with this script, generated the LinkedIn post. The way it recognized that the video was from Alex, and then it used scripts and turned it into a LinkedIn post, email newsletter, Twitter thread, Facebook post, Instagram carousel, and a short form video script right here. This is incredible. So we're going to download the CSV in order to upload it to our spreadsheet right here. So I'll import the file, drag the CSV file right here, and then choose to append to the current sheet and click on import data. And now here you can see title of the video. So this was the title of the video. So here's a LinkedIn post, here's a Facebook post, here's a Twitter thread, here's the email newsletter, here's the email newsletter, and here's a short form video script. This is incredible. This is awesome. Here we forgot to add a column for Instagram carousel. Then easily include the column right here to include the carousel copy that is generated over here. Translate right here. This is incredible. This is how you can easily repurpose a YouTube video into a month worth of content automatically using Claude. If you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how we can automate those manual tasks using AI or by creating systems to automate them. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.